Ayubowan, I'm Manoja Jayawardena from the beautiful island of Sri Lanka. I would like to first thank Women Icon powered by Times Women and Women World Congress for this prestigious award for the difference maker. I was born in a village in the southern part of Sri Lanka and my parents were teachers. They were my first inspiration. I'm the only girl child in my family and I have two brothers. Now I'm a single mother of a 25-year-old daughter who is an IT graduate. As of now, I count for 31 years of experience. I started working as a young school leaver in 1990 and I was selected for the bioscience degree in the University of Colombo. I gave up my bioscience degree due to the delay in commencing universities at the time, and I started doing CIMA and became an accountant. I joined People's Bank in 1991 and I left People's Bank in 1993 to join the private sector as an accountant, and I continued to work as an accountant till 2004 until I started the business on my own. In 2004, Automated Barcode Solutions Private Limited commenced business as an IT company in the field of automatic identification. The business was started with 7 directors and I joined them as a general manager and later on became a director in 2005. We started small and had only 1 employee in the beginning. Today, we have a very large clientele with both public and private sector, small to large scale companies who are enjoying our solutions and technologies, and we give a superior service when compared to the other companies in the same business. IT is a very challenging field in Sri Lanka, and I'm proud to say that I'm one of the very few women entrepreneurs in the field of STEM. My passion is helping people to change and make a difference. I have supported so many youth and young engineers, technicians, school leavers and fresh graduates to change their careers and develop their personalities by helping them to pursue their career and then further studies and also developing their personality. I have provided employment to so many youngsters who were psychologically challenged or underprivileged. Today they have become citizens who are very responsible and rehabilitated, and I am so happy to mention that they have developed and they are pursuing their careers in IT field. I have spearheaded so many community projects with a group of friends and also individually to develop and sustain the needs of the rural young children and schools, also the women in the rural areas of Sri Lanka. As an individual, I think of my responsibility and my service to the community and also to the society. So when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I think is if I can help at least one individual or support someone who needs my help. That is the first thing I do in the morning. So this has been my practice for several years, and it could be financially or even a telephone call or by way of giving moral support. What I actually enjoy in my life is my service to the community and then being compassionate and spreading love and kindness. That is the motive of my life, and I have been successful in doing what I want and then being the woman that I want to be in my life. If you ask me what is success, I would say it's happiness. So I'm a happy woman. Thank you again, Women Icon, for this prestigious award. I will continue my career and my mission and my vision to support my community and help whoever I can. Thank you so much again.